Hi! Today we will be discussing about vectors. First of all, why vectors? Why do we need them? Because they have got a vast majority of applications. Let's see. Airplane pilots. They receive instructions to land at the airport using vectors. Navigation of ships. Sports instructions. And many more. But before discussing vectors, we need to understand a term known as scalars. Scalars are the quantities that only have a size or magnitude. They tell us how much of something there is. Suppose this is you. Here is your playground. You travel this much of distance to reach to your playground. This distance is a scalar. There is a glass that contains your juice. Volume of the juice, temperature of the juice, all these are scalars. Mass. Suppose there is a car that weighs 100 kg. This 100 kg is a scalar. Now vectors, they also have a size like scalars, but they have got a really special thing, which is the direction. Suppose you want to navigate your playground. What all things you need to know? First, how far away it is from you and in which direction it is located. So how can we represent a vector? Using arrows like this. There are two rules. The length of the arrow is proportional to the size of the vector, and arrow points in the direction of your vector. Always remember to use opposite sign to represent opposite directions. Let's say north and south are two opposite directions. You can use north as plus and south as minus. You can add vectors in any order. For example, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 5, answer is 10. Or 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 2, answer is 10, the result is same. Similarly, if you are standing here and you want to reach at this location, let this length be 10 centimeters and this length be 5 centimeters. Now there are two ways. First, you travel 10 centimeters east, then from here you travel 5 centimeters north. Or first you travel 5 centimeters north, then you travel 10 centimeters east. You reach at the same location. So order does not matter in case of vector addition. Now my question to you is an angle theta, the angle, a vector or a scalar? It could be either, depending on the situation where it is used. Suppose your angle represents the total rotation. You start from here, you reach at the same point, then it's a scalar. But if your angle represents the rotation distance between 2 points, start and final points, you start from here, you reach at this location, it's a vector. For example, 10 meters walking, 45 degree counterclockwise from south. Now this is a vector. Let's summarize what we have learned today. We learned about scalars. They only have a size. Vectors, They have a size and a direction. Vectors can be represented using an arrow. There are two rules. Length is proportional to the size of the arrow vector, and arrow points in the direction of vector. You can add vectors in any order. And there is one more term, which is the resultant vector, which is your answer vector. Whatever you get when you add vectors is your resultant vector. That's all for today. If you have any queries or you need help, please comment below. Thank you.